Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore solar tax credit forms using Sunrun statements step by step clearly. To begin restoring solar tax credit forms using Sunrun statements, gather all necessary documents. Ensure you have your Sunrun account statements readily accessible. Log into your Sunrun account on their official website. Navigate to the Account tab located in the upper right corner of the screen. Select Billing from the drop-down menu to view your account statements. Locate the relevant statements for the period in which your solar system was installed. Download the statements as PDF files for easier reference. Open your IRS Form 5695, which is used to claim the Residential Energy Efficient Property Credit. Familiarize yourself with the requirements outlined in the IRS instructions for Form 5695. Fill out the personal information section on the form, including your name and social security number. Proceed to Part 1 of the form to input the cost of your solar energy system. Refer to your downloaded Sunrun statements to extract the precise installation costs. Enter the total installation costs accurately to ensure a smooth tax filing process. If applicable, include any additional costs associated with your solar system, such as maintenance or upgrades. Double-check all entries to confirm they match the information on your Sunrun statements. Calculate the eligible credit amount by multiplying your total costs by the current tax credit percentage. Ensure you review the rest of the form for any other additional credits or requirements. Once completed, make sure to sign and date the form. Keep a copy of the completed Form 5695 along with your Sunrun statements for your records. Finally, submit your tax return along with the completed Form 5695 to the IRS by the filing deadline. These steps will ensure you successfully restore and claim your solar tax credit using Sunrun statements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.